else?
This is Sonic Wave.
Solid.
You ever thought about doing like an in-between level?
Like what? Top 400?
Nah, like top
Like
200.
above this?
Yeah, something like that.
I haven't played anything like that, but yeah, I was basically just going for Zodiac, and I want to beat it before it falls off, so I might have to switch to that. But I think I have 40 on there right now. Oh my god,
Yes, dude.
my god!
Yes, dude.
GG, dude.
Fuck this shit, bro.
GG,
Oh, it
bro.
feels so good. I'm so done. Look at this. I'm so.
Yo,
Oh.
what'd you do? What's up?
I got 64 to 100 on Firework, bro. Fuck that level.
Hell yeah, dude.
GG.
I was recording. Nice. Nice.